Welcome to HackPack Hackers, where we like to explore the CrunchLabs HackPacks. And we've been enjoying these quite a bit. So far, you may be able to see on my channel multiple hacks on the IR turret. I find it quite entertaining, much more for the fact of just the anticipation of getting shot. You can see that I spend a lot of time shooting myself with the IR turret. All right, I have this big vision of creating a multiplayer mini game system using the IR turret. Now, I don't know if I can do this. I don't know if I could pull it off with the full vision that I have in mind. For one, there's a lot of code involved. You may have seen my game, the red light, green light game. And I came up with a bigger idea of expanding on that concept. We have the mini game, red light, green light, but then we could also add other mini games. One thought is the number roulette. The IR turret picks a number, you pick a number, and if it's a match, you lose. Another idea is the Simon game, where it's a little toy that has the 4 colors, and it flashes a color and you have to keep the pattern in line. We can do that with a number sequence. It would do a number sequence, and we have to follow that number sequence. So by adding these 2 other games to the IR turret, we can have a multi-mini-game turret. You have several games, but then you also have the multiplayer components of tracking the score for all those different games. But then we also have the hardware side to be able to implement those games in a user-friendly way. All of these combined just may be too much for the HackPack Arduino system. So we're going to figure out little by little where that limit is and then possibly see if there's a workaround. We aren't limited necessarily to just the Arduino Nanos provided by HackPack. I do have another couple of options. One is an older version, which I don't think will be much help. I do have an R3 version of the Arduino, and the best of them all is the ESP32, which also has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capability. Now that expands some other potentials, such as a Bluetooth app with my phone, but we'll see if we go down that route or not as we progress this project. But right now, I don't know how it's going to turn out, and that's where it's fun. I've done some research on several of the components that I'm looking at, and I'm pretty sure I can get them to work, at least individually, but layering them all together may be too much, even from the power consumption side and just the memory side. The Arduino Nano might not be able to handle all of the code that I'm going to be writing for these games that I want to implement. But that's the fun. That's the journey of what we are going on, is exploring what we can do with these HackPacks. Now, I'm not going to do this all in one video. I'm planning on doing in little shorter segments in a series type model, so that way you can see the progress that I'm making for each section. Now, each video will have kind of a smaller segment focus of what we're trying to accomplish and the challenges that we go through, and see if we can actually get where we want to, or if we hit a roadblock that we may have to figure out how to work around. With this big idea, I have some big concepts of what type of hardware we can add to get some better quality of life features for the games. An LCD screen, for example, to be able to read what game you're playing and also add the multiplayer information. Potentially, we'll see even adding names to the multiplayers to track all the information that we want to add. As you can see, there's a lot of ways that we can improve upon this, and we'll see how far we go. In fact, you as a viewer can be providing some input on where we think we should go while we're on this journey. With that in mind, leave a comment if you have any mini games in mind that you think would be a good fit for the IR turret. Now, if you're interested in this journey I'm about to take, be sure to subscribe so that way you can get the notifications on my next video coming out with all of the challenges that we're going to be facing for this full project.